project code ITPYIP07, project title Genetic Disorder Classification using Deep Learning Technique. So in this project what we are going to do is we are going to classify the genetic disorder based on the images, that is the different genetic disorder images. So what we are going to do is we are going to collect the data set of the different genetic disorder images, and we are going to train a DL model. DL model is nothing but the deep learning model where the images are trained using CNN network. Once after the trained network, what we are going to do, we are going to deploy the trained model in GUI. We are going to deploy our trained model in GUI. So once after we deploying, when we give a new input image to the GUI, the GUI will show me the which type of disorder is it is. So in the existing system, what have done is they have used cascaded convolution to detect the only the facial expressions. They have only detected the facial expression using the cascaded convolution. So the main drawback of this is does not have any classification accuracy of the face expression. It just detected the facial expression, but it does not classify the expressions. So in proposed system, what we are going to do is we are going to color the data set of the genetic disorder, that is the different images of the disorders, and we are going to train the model using the CNN, that is the convolution neural network. Once after training is completed, we are going to deploy our model in the GUI where our model is deployed. So when we give a new input image, that is a new disorder image related to the training data, that is what we have trained different type of disorders, and when we give the same disorder type to the input GUI, the output will be a which type of disorder that is that the image is uploaded. So main advantage is it can use it to detect the different face order disorder expression, like which are the different genetic disorder like that. So existing algorithm they have used cascaded convolution network. We are using deep convolution neural network with LENet. So LENet is also one type of CNN where it is mainly used to reduce the error rate. So LNet is a good algorithm, and the frameworks that we are going to use are TensorFlow and Keras, which are the deep learning packages to create the neural network. So this is our architecture diagram. First in architecture diagram, what we are going to do? First we are going to load the images to the data, that is different type of disorders is collected in the image data, and after image data we are going to do feature selection. So different disorders have different type of features, so we are going to do the feature extractions and everything by using the CNN model, which is the convolution neural network. Once the model was trained, after training the model we are going to build the model, deploy the model by .h5 file. We are going to convert the trained model into .h5 file. Once after the model is converted into .h5 file, we are going to load the model into a GUI. GUI is nothing but the graphical user interface, which is designed using Tkinter package. Once that has been done, when the new image is uploaded to my GUI, it will classify which type of disorder is that. So where we can use the application in detecting disorder in hospitals. So in hospitals it will be a major inclusion to the hospitals, that is everything is now being in artificial intelligence, so it can reduce the doctor time risk and patient waiting time also. So future enhancement we can deploy in web application where multiple hospitals can use this model, and we can also host the model. So these are the software we are going to use. One is the Anaconda with Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda Navigator with Jupyter Notebook. So why we are using this software is Anaconda is one of the major tool with Jupyter Notebook, that is, so it has predefined libraries, everything installed. After the libraries, so we no need to install again the more libraries. So afterwards, the notebook we are going to use is Jupyter Notebook. So it is the best node tool for the data analysis purpose. So these are the minimum hardware requirements for our project. Thank you.